Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Martin Baraya and in this video we're gonna learn about the basics of Kotlin. So first of all, introduction to Kotlin. Kotlin is a general purpose programming language and the JVM version of the standard library depends on the Java class designed by JetBrains, and Google announced at I/O 2017 it is official Android language, and Kotlin is 100% compatible with Java. Kotlin data types, variables, and nullability. Okay guys, now let me introduce you a couple examples for each data type. For the first one, integer data type, we can say var x equal 3. Var refers to variable and it's a declaration part. X equal 3, that means the value of x equal integer 3. And this value could be any integer number, positive or negative or even 0. And the second example, val x equals 3. The difference between val and var, val it's a final variable and that means it's never change. But var x equals 3, that means a general variable and it could be changed. Now for the second example, float data type, we can say var y equal 3.25 or val y equal 3.25. Val y, that means y it's a final variable, and var y that means y refer to general variable. And the value should be float value for float data type. And the third example, Boolean data type. Boolean accept true or false value. So we can say var or val z equal true or false. Now for the fourth example, character data type. We can say val a equal k or var a equal k. And if we notice the value of k inside two single quote data type, that's refer to character data type. And for the last example, string data type. String refer to sequence of character, like this sentence, hello world, and the sentence should be between two double quotes. That refers to string data type. Okay guys, now let's talking about nullable type. Sometimes we have a code crashing problem when we use a null value. And to avoid the common problem of code crashing with the null pointer exception error that occur when code value equal null and this value not accepted. So Kotlin solves this problem by using nullable type. And we have the following example for nullable type. We can say val user type of string may be equal null or not null by using this question mark sign. So this val of user may be equal null or may be not equal null. We can say val user or var user. Kotlin operators and expressions. Okay, now let's talking about assignment operator. Assignment operator used to assign the result of expression to a variable, like the following examples. The first example, variable a, type of integer. Var refer to mutable integer variable. That means we can change the value of a later. Then the second example, val b equal 5. Val refer to a mutable integer variable. That means the value of b, we cannot change it. And the next operator showing how we assign a value to a equal 5. Then we can say a equal a plus b. That means we assign the result of a to be a, the value of a, which is 5 plus the value of b, and the result of a is gonna change to be 10, the value of number 10. On the last operator, we assign the value of b to a. That means we change the value of a again, and we can do that because a was var, the type of var. That means a is mutable and we can't change it. Okay guys, now let's talking about Boolean logical operators. Operators designed to return Boolean true or false value. Note, the key operators are not, and or, and the not operators simply inverts the current value. Okay guys, now let's take example about Boolean value. If we say val flag equal true, that means the variable flag equal true. And the second one, second flag equal invert value of the first variable, invert flag. And I have two important note about OR and AND operator. For OR operators, it's returned true if one of two operands evaluate to true, but the AND operators return true only if both operands evaluate to true. Okay guys, now that's it for this video. If you like the video, please give me a like and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get update tutorials like this, and see you in the next one.